Hello, in front of me I have FOSSIL Carlyle GEN 5, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the airplane mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the middle button. Now swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and here we have this airplane icon, and to enable the airplane mode, we need to tap on this icon, like this. As you can see, it says airplane mode enabled or on. And to disable this mode, we need to open the quick panel again and tap on the icon, like this. And that's how you enable the airplane mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.